Hey kids, maybe teachers. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about webjets.io. Notice it's not .com, it's .io. Anyways, this is 2020. You see that more and more. So what this is it's like an online place to make like a mood board or like a cork board, and you organize all your ideas in it. So you know how like you have a research project, and sometimes you're like, oh man, what was that one really good YouTube video? Or oh dang, what was that website? You can't remember it. That's really frustrating. Well, with WebJets, you can put all your ideas here, and then you know where they are. So you can always access those ideas again. And also, you can create it with somebody else. So if you're doing like a research project, you both can work on the mood board at the same time. So that's kind of cool. So you'll log in, and you'll make a new account. It's free, and make sure you don't select to receive their emails. You'll get a welcome page like this to create a new board. It's down here. It says board. You click that, and there you go. Got a new board. And for you guys, physics students, you're going to create a board about the fundamental forces. Okay, and so how you can do that is, let's say I found this video and it's awesome. I'll just copy and paste it here, and now I have that forever. You can look at it again later. Or let's say I found this thing, which is an explain it like I'm 5 from Reddit. Just copy and paste that right here. And if you have pictures like on your computer, like I downloaded one earlier, you just drag and drop that. You have your picture. And you can organize. Why is it looking all dumb? Whatever. You can organize stuff with these features down here. So you can like make a table or a list or a set with cards. And you can actually just press the first letter of these and it'll create it automatically. So if I press C, boom, card. Let's say I want this to be about gravitational force. Then I can add stuff about the gravitational force. Anyways, and then if I want to make like a list or something or a table, let's say I want to create a list. I don't want that to be. I can add this to my list of stuff. So if you look in their welcome page, they kind of created something like that. You can look at their examples too. So now if you want to collaborate with somebody else, we're not doing that for this project, but if you ever wanted to, that's up here under share. You just type in their email, or you can get a link, and y'all can work on the same thing together, which is really helpful. But when you want to turn it in, press publish. It's going to take a little while. It'll create a link, and I can just look at your, there you go. Oh. And I can look at your WebJets. So this is how you'll turn it in. Here's one I created earlier. It's not loading because my internet sucks. I'm sure a lot of y'all know the feeling. But you're going to copy and paste the link here and put it in your OneNote so I can look at it. It's loading. It's loading. We're going to see it before in the video. Yeah, there we go. Okay, cool. Anyways, good luck with the project, you guys.